Hello viewers, welcome to Corpor Any. SwiftUI taxi drivers apps inside. Today we need to see this here the change password UI and as well as the API calls need to set here. First of all need to declare here the API inside the globe files. Now need to go here and now need to copy any one API names and now need to paste here and to set this here the update change password and also need to change this here change password like this sets here for the API names. Now, first of all, now opens here the profile view models and to configure this here the UI. First of all, need to declare here the three publishers variables, published variable. First one is the current password. Second one is new password, and third one is confirm password. Like this sets here. Now we need to write down here the API. First of all, we need to copy here the update profile API and we need to paste here. Now need to change password API and to change years as we change password and to pass this here the parameters and after successfully and to clear this years request object value for key and to set here the message optional string if not get then to set this here the success msc dot success need to write down here like we need to call here now need to write down here the action buttons set here functions action and to give this here the name update change password like sets here. Now first of all need to check this here txt current password is empty and to self dot show here error message please enter current password and self dot show here the error true and to return these functions like here same as now check for the new passwords txt new passwords and to please enter new password and also need to verify here confirm passwords with not equal to confirm password and to password not match need to show this here the error like here's and write down here change password API and to pass here the parameters old password is equal to txt current password then new password is equal to txt new password like this need to calling here the API here's like this sets Now this is the API configurations are the done, and also need to clear this password text field after the successfully. Self dot blank self dot txt new password blank self dot txt confirm password set here blank like this sets here and to clear here's. Also need to set here the show passwords publishers where show current password. By default need to set here the false at current publish where show new password set here the false at the red published where show confirm password set here the false. Like this you need to write down here, and now need to creating here the UI first of all. First of all now need to go inside the menu view and to create inside the new files and to select here the shift UI view and to give this here the name change password view. Like this you need to write down here. First of all need to write here back buttons environment variables dot slash present modes where mode colon is equal to binding and to set this here present mode class we need to assign this here like here, and also need to set here the state objects where pvm is equal to profile view model dot share we need to call here. Now need to set here the z stack. Now set here the navigation titles set here blank navigations back buttons we need to hide here. Navigation bar hide also back buttons we need to hide here and to ignore safe area like this we need to call here. Now need to run here stack set here the spacer like here and to develop here the first of all save bars. Now need to copy here paste this here and to this give this here the name change password. And draw here the line like here. Now we need to set here the scroll view and we need to set here the text field secure text fields. Go inside the setting view and we need to copy here secure text fields paste this here. First of all need to set here the two stack set here the spacing 15 and also need to set here the padding horizontal 20 and padding vertical 25 like this sets here. Now need to set here the text fields binding pvm.txt current passwords and to show em.show current passwords. Now need to copy, remove here the padding. Now need to set here the new passwords. Set here current password. Show new password. Also need to write down here the confirm password. txt confirm password and show confirm passwords. Like this, we need to write down here and we need to set here the round button. Copy here, paste this here. Now need to convert into the button and to set this here, change all here, EVM dots need to call this here the actions, change passwords need to call here, and also need to write down here the alerts need to showing here, set here the alert view presents and to set here the dollars EVM dots show errors and to declare here the alert, set here the titles, globe dots app like here, and after need to set this here the message ext, set here the EVM dot error message and set here the dismiss button default, set text. Okay, write down 6 like now need to save and to configure this here the UI, change passwords, copy here this navigation link and to put this here, replace with here, and now need to set this here, change password view like this. Configurations are the needs and to run this app and to paste here. Now app is runs. Now need to select here the profile image and now need to click on the setting and to click on the change passwords. Now opening here the change password UI. First of all need to enter here the current password 126. You need to add here and to show this show passwords like this, set here and another 12345 6 again need to repeat here, so need to same password need to set here. Now need to click on change and password sent successfully, API are the callings done, and to see this here the response need to check here, get here the response, password change successfully, and like this you need to call this here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.